Okay, good evening. Welcome to
MinuteMath number 25.
MinuteMath number 25. This is another one of these junior high contest problems, although shoot, I forgot to look on this one.
How many people got it
How many
right?
people got it right? But anyway, let's see how it goes. A block wall 100 feet long and 7 feet high will be constructed using blocks that are 1 foot high, and either 2 feet long or 1 foot long. The vertical joins in the blocks must be staggered as shown. So they have to, see how they're staggered?
So no two bricks can be on top of each other?
No two bricks can be on top of each other. Okay. And the wall must be even on the end. So in other words, you can't have a block hanging out on the end. Okay?
Yeah.
What is the smallest number of blocks needed? Okay. So there's a lot of information in this problem. What can you tell me about the wall we're going to build here?
Well, it's 100 feet long and
Okay.
7 feet high.
Okay. What's it going to mean that it's 7 feet high?
We're going to need more layers like these.
How many?
We're going to need 5 more layers.
5 more layers to make a total of how many layers?
To make a total of 7.
7 layers. Okay. Interesting. We're trying to figure out the minimum number of blocks we need. So why don't we just see what we would need on layer 1, layer 2, layer 3,
Like the first 3
layer
bricks?
4, layer 5, layer 6, and then layer 7. Okay.
The first 3 bricks?
Well, the minimum number. We're going to try to make, how long is the wall on the bottom layer?
It's, well, on all of them, the wall's 100 feet.
On all of them, it's 100 feet long. Okay. So what do you think? What's the minimum number of bricks we need on the bottom layer?
I think it would be 50.
Why do you think that?
Because we have just these 2 by 1 bricks.
Okay, we just have these 2 by 1 bricks. Okay, so 50 on the bottom layer. Okay, now how many bricks are we going to need on the next layer? Interesting question.
We've got a small brick, then 2 larger bricks, then another smaller brick here. Then the pattern repeats.
Are you sure that's what happens?
Well,
Remember, you're not allowed to have bricks be on top of each other. So what's it going to look like on the second layer?
gonna draw some more bricks in.
Sure, go ahead.
It's gonna be that brick.
Let's see, you have bricks right on top of each other now.
So that's not gonna work.
Yeah, that doesn't work. So what's it going to look like? If the bottom layer is all these 2 by 2 bricks, what's the second layer going to look like?
We're gonna have just this starting,
Okay.
and then the rest are gonna be 2 by 2 bricks.
Okay. Is that going to work?
Except this is 1 foot long,
Right.
and these are each 2 feet.
Yeah.
But we can't have that
Why not?
because we're left with all these 2's have to sum up to be 99.
Right, they sum it to be 99, so what happens at the end?
Well, there has to be another 1 by 1 block.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I think you see the pattern now. It's going to start with a 1 by 1, be all 2's, and then it's going to end with a 1 by 1. So now here's the tricky question. How many bricks is that?
Well, it's going to be 98 divided by 2 plus 2.
Okay, so 98 divided by 2 is?
Well, 90 divided by 2 is 45. So it's going to be 49 plus 2, which is 51.
Okay, 51. Very good. Okay, so it was tricky to see that pattern, but now you see it, right?
Yeah.
Where the next brick is going to go like this, and they're going to keep overlapping. You're going to have 49 of these bricks, and then a 1 by 1 on either side. What do you think the next layer is going to look like on top of this one?
Probably all 2 by 2 bricks again.
All 2 by 2 bricks, okay. So how many is that going to be?
50 again.
50 again,
Then 51 again.
then 51,
Then 50.
then 50,
Then 51.
51,
Then 50.
50. Okay. So what is that? How many bricks is that? Can you add this up quickly? 50 plus 51 plus 50 plus 51 plus 50 plus 51 plus 50?
Well, there's 4 50s, which is 200.
Okay.
plus we have 3 51s.
Okay.
So it's 153 plus 400, which is 553. Is that right? No, wait, it's 353.
Okay, it's 353. Another way to look at it is you have 7 50s plus how much more?
Plus 3.
3 more. So what is that?
It's 353.
353. Okay, so that's the minimum number of bricks. Pretty good. Pretty good. So seeing the first pattern was a little tough,
Yeah.
but after that you figured it out. And the other tricky part, which you got right away, was how many bricks are on the second layer. And you thought about it exactly the right way. You need 49 bricks in the middle, and then 1 on each side, which gets you the 51. So, good job. Good job.